Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Taxi app and backends API inside. Today we need to create here the app side API. We need to also need to create here the app zone list API. Need to create here as well as need to create here the edit documents API. Need to develop for the admin sites and user for the zone list API need to develop. First of all, you need to copy here the zone list API for the admin API. Need to copy here and paste this here to write down here the comments app API like this and write down here app API and to paste this here and also need to write down here the remove this here and also need to verify here the also need to get here for the zone list too. For drivers for use this API, we need to write down like this here. Need to needs here. We need to needs here the displaying here the only zone ID and displaying two reports documents into zone name, city names, also tags and here the service names. So documents we need to charge, kilometer charge. Here no need to here this. So need to remove here these documents related conditions. Documentations and with this here options need to bind with the service and we need like this here right here to see node and id.service id need to and this here zones inside not give id I need this here change check it price inside signs here and hold let's see service. Now this is the good part is here to fix this issue here. Now the good part is here. Also need to options like this. Gets here on list for the drivers get like this data here and to this here query. Now need to create here or admit the edit documents API need to appear. So first need to copy here these functions. Need to paste here and to write down here the edit. Like this, we need to write down here and to here ID. Also need to go up and to copy here the add inside this data. Let's here personal card doc. This need to create here these parameters like this sets here, here's, and to change this here on document. Need to here. Like this, need to write down here and to set this here the personal documents as this personal documents like this. Need to write question marks and our document sets here, and to set this, and also need to change the zone ID. Other things need to yes. Now we need to pass here personal document and after our document, and after need to pass this zone documents ID. Like this parameter we need to pass this here and to paste this here. You need to get here the affected row. We need to write down here zone document. Read successfully. Return this message. Otherwise, you need to give this here the fail message like this. You need to write down here, and also need to check for this user ID the set here for the others to drivers. You need to pass this here. This you need to write down here this API. And now this our API are the runs here. Also one more thing. Another one API I need to create for the admins for the zone map API. You need to get here. The false need to API to get here select this here and to write down here on map. Inside need to pass here for zone ID parameters value response object session objects. Now need to ID once map are the showing like this years valid. So need to call this here select cap this years. Now need to call inner joins no needs. Now need to status is done, and on ID is equal to, need to set here the request dot on ID like this past years. Also need to this years. On sessions, this you need to set this here for this AP. Set here. This you need set here for this AI calling, and to return these results are the get successfully. What's need to write down here like this value are the past years. This year's zone maps API are the creating duns for the drawing here the zones in the Angry panels. Need to displaying which zones inside the map creatings like this. Need to displaying here the this value. So check here to create the zone wise document list. You need in next video inside the see this value need to create, because this is the big API. Need to lots of conditions need to add these here for the list out the here the zone wise document list. First of all, if you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.